Hey everyone, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm on a night ride here on the e-bike and I'm here in Portage Lakes here at Coventry Clock Tower. I'm gonna be checking this out here. And of course, Portage Lakes in all of its beauty, tons of big houses all around the lake. So it should be a pretty fun adventure. It's Saturday night for me here. I don't know when you guys will be seeing this video, but I'll try to plan it on a Saturday so it makes sense. So yeah, there's a bunch of night birds around, as I call them. I think they're called killdeer here in Ohio. Killdeer birds. And you can hear them around there. They're just flying all around. So there's Portage Lakes. I'm gonna be doing some riding. I'm gonna put you guys on the mount. And I'm gonna ride around a little bit. But this is just to show you guys, let me run over here real quick. This is just to show you guys what Portage Lakes looks like during the nighttime on a Saturday night. It is absolutely beautiful out here. So it's going to be a fantastic video. If you guys can, go check out my other videos and also hit that like button and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into the video, you guys. Let's do it. Let's go and hit the e-bike trail. Let's hit the beaten. Okay, let's start with hitting the trails here. Hopefully you guys can see at least a little bit. I don't have my good lights on me today, unfortunately. But it just is what it is. We're just gonna ride around here and see what's going on here. Here in the city. I don't know if this is Akron. I guess it's Akron. I don't really know. Portage Lakes area of this shindig here. We'll see if we can go find some interesting trails to check out. I really don't know though, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me while I try to figure this out. There might be some trails or something going on up here, but let's go over here and see what they've got. Let's go up here. It's interesting because a lot of the roads here at Portage Lakes, they really don't make a whole lot of sense and they kind of just go nowhere. And they're just kind of like little inlet roads. Like they really just don't make any sense. Some of them are one way, some of them are two way, some are small, some are long. Some go up hills, some go down hills, some go around roundabouts, some go around just random areas, you know? So we're just gonna keep driving around until we find something interesting, I guess. Okay, just gonna keep turning left until I can't turn left anymore. Right until I can't turn right anymore. And we're surrounded by lakes. Every single person over here has fantastic properties, fantastic views of the lake itself. So I wish you guys could see it. And I do apologize if you guys are watching this video and right now the lighting is not that great. I do apologize. It's a little dim, but I'm looking at the camera. It doesn't seem like it's too bad. So hopefully this video is relatively watchable. That would make me very happy. So it's not a wasted trip. Even then, I'm just living life. I'm hanging out. I'm just doing my thing. So even then, it's not a wasted trip. So this has no outlet right here. Let's go right over here. It looks like it ends right over here somewhere. Yeah, look at that. Looks like somebody's got a dead end right here. So we will turn around and go back the other way. Go back over here. There's just some beautiful like lake houses. There's some really interesting places over here. There's even like places where people are living in garages, where people are literally living in garages. Nice garages, right? But right on the lake and that type of stuff. So it makes it kind of interesting. Portage Lakes. Portage Lakes is absolutely massive. There are a lot of houses and stuff like that. A lot of wildlife. A lot of craziness going on. We're surrounded by, like I said, little water inlets. If you guys can't tell from how weird these roads are set up, there are inlets everywhere. And little places to turn. I think I came from this way. Let me turn around. I think I need to go back the other way. Yeah, I think I needed to go this way. I'm sure people are starting to like comment down in the comments. They're like, you're going the wrong way. You just came from that way. I'm like, I had no idea. Yeah, this place is amazing. Absolutely incredible. Hopefully you guys can tell on video how incredible this place is. Going downhill right now. I don't know if this is... Yeah, this is the main road right here. I just came from the main road. Hold on. I just came from the main road. Right there. Look, I can cut through right here. Look. Bam! Look at that. We're in. We're in whatever this is. It's part of the park, but it's like a sitting area. People are beeping behind me, but they're on the road, so they're beeping at themselves or somebody else. That's not me, so that's good. Coming up through here, look, let's go up on this sidewalk right here. Since we can pretty much go anywhere we want with the e-bike here. Look at that. This is fucking awesome, honestly. This is incredible. Look out towards the left-hand side, or right-hand side, sorry. You have lake, you have rocks, you have pure awesome all the way around. This adventure is incredible. Oh, let me catch my footing. Let me catch my foot. Oh, God. Went a little too fast. I floored it. The acceleration is really nice. There's some benches right here. It's kind of hard to see because it is nighttime, but if you guys see it, hey, there's benches right here. So if you guys want to come down here and just hang out, you just come down here and you just chill. Watch some YouTube videos, watch some The Daily Explorer. If you guys watch my videos, I'd be happy. I'd be pretty happy with that. All right, let's keep moving and grooving. There are so many lights all around the lake. It's absolutely incredible. Let me see if I can get you guys turned in a little bit further that way so you guys can see the lights all across the lake. Let me stop even. Look at that. It's a nice panoramic video all the way across, a little view all the way across there. So I'm going to face you guys down as much as possible, I guess. It should be okay for now, I guess. Somebody to my left on the road is on an e-bike, which is awesome. Love to see it. Love to see it. So I'm going to get through here without crashing. The killdeer. There's killdeer up here a little bit, but they better relax, them motherfuckers. Them killdeer ass motherfuckers. Dude, this place is awesome, man. It's popping with fishing and stuff like that. Which is fucking awesome. Gotta love to see that. People just hanging out. Saturday night, like I said. It's a beautiful night for hanging out fishing. There's a bunch of people behind me on the right. Pretty cool. There's no doubt about that. Go over here, hit these bumps. Hit this trail over here. Look at this. This is wild. This is wild, dude. They're gonna send me up here. Can't go up here. Doesn't even make sense. I gotta pick this bike up. Oh God, this thing is heavy. This thing's like 100 pounds, man. I feel like I'm gonna fall through this. But if I fall through it, I'll sue 'em. You know what I'm saying? Down below me, it's just grates. Grates and stuff down below me, pretty much. Of course, right above me, there's a bunch of bugs and stuff above me there. All right, let's go ahead and proceed. I ended up losing the mic down through there, which is tons of fun, but I found it. I didn't lose it in the water, so, but it is what it is, so. It is what it is. All right, let's move on. Let us move on and forget about everything that just happened. Okay. All right. It's still definitely a really fun trip besides that. As soon as I went to go squeeze past that bridge right there, I saw the spiders and I knew I was fucked. I knew those spiders were gonna fuck me up, dude. Spiders don't give a fuck. Whoa. Where does this go? Look. Love the sharp angle. Oh shit, I almost fucking crashed. Love the sharp angle right here. And it just fucking cuts off, dude. Like, what the fuck, dude? Are they fucking on drugs? Motherfuckers are on drugs, man. Seriously. Shit's crazy. Okay. Let's cross the street right here pretty much. If we can. And let's go up through here and check out some more roads, I guess, for now. Moving. We are moving. 30 miles an hour in a 35, baby. Let's check out this road over here to the right. And then we'll see what's going on over here. Hopefully the sound's not too bad for you guys. I know there's probably a lot of wind sounds from me moving and grooving here, but let's go down over here and check it out. It's a cool, like, mailbox. You guys probably can't see it, but it's like a pelican mailbox. Oh shit, they got the pelican display. They've got the pelican display, friends. It was hard to see, but we'll check it out when we come back, maybe. Does this end? What is this? Dude, is this somebody's fucking driveway, dude? It's like hard to tell. Is that somebody's driveway? I don't know. Let's go check it out, I guess. Oh, dude, this goes through, man. I almost thought it was somebody's driveway, but apparently it goes through. And then it ends into somebody's driveway. Right here, apparently. Yeah. This looks like it's somebody's driveway here. The pelicans. Yeah, this is pretty wild. This e-bike goes pretty fast too, so I gotta be really careful with people and stuff like that. I do not want to hit anybody. I'm trying to be respectful as humanly possible, so yeah, this area is fucking awesome, man. There's so much to explore over here. There's so many like little side roads and stuff. Most people's side roads are like allotment roads and stuff. So they're all the same shit. Or they're all the same, like, you know, kind of same stuff going on. I don't even know how to describe it. But this is all just completely different. I mean, none of this is allotment roads. None of these are prefab houses or anything like that. In fact, it's the complete opposite. These are definitely not prefabs. These are custom homes, if anything. So this area is awesome, man. Zoom, zoom. Let's see what's up here. This has got to be Long Boulevard. Long Boulevard or Long Lake Boulevard here in the Portage Lakes area is very long. It's a long road. It's got to be Long Lake. I'm almost positive. If I check the nearest street sign, oh, this one bet. Oh no, Waterside Drive. Okay, it's Waterside Drive. I didn't know that. Did not know that. No outlet. We're gonna check it out. Check it out. Yeah, no outlet right here. So this stops right here, and we can turn around, burn some rubber at the same time. We do that, and then we'll head back the other way. I just missed the turn on the right, so we're gonna turn around and go up here. And we'll see what's up here. Here eventually, I think IBH is up here on the left somewhere. IBH. It's like a drug rehabilitation program for folks. So we'll see if we can go over here and check it it out real quick before we end the video. Whoa. Wind is killer, folks. Super windy, especially on this bike, baby. Especially on this bike. There's somebody coming up behind me. Try to jet off to the right. I think I could pull off right here. Yeah, so this is pretty much where I'm at, is the IBH fields. They have people that stay here, drug rehabilitation folk and such that stay here. And they have farming and all sorts of different programs for folks that are in drug rehabilitation programs. So a big thank you to those folks there. But yeah, I think that's pretty much where I'll end the video. I wanted to do a quick little rundown of Portage Lakes and everything like that to give you guys a good preview of what that looks like. Let's see if I can turn this around. There we go. That's not too bad, right? It's not too bad. What's the best camera angle? Right there? Right there? What do you think? There it is. There it is. That's money. That's money right there. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video and stopping by. Hopefully you guys have a good night. Hopefully you guys have a good Saturday night. Like I said, it's Saturday for me right now, and I want to go check out some of the more party areas in my area. If you guys can, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in the next upcoming videos. My name is Josh, and I am the Daily Explorer, and I'm out.